Today I decided I wanted to get my grill out and do some breakfast, so here we go. I just made it real quick, got my little grill out. Add some tater tots, some bacon, eggs. I'm gonna go grab some tortillas and cheese, and that's my breakfast, man. And let me show you what it's gonna look like. Now I'm just gonna grill up some tortillas, throw some cheese, breakfast burritos, throw some salsa. Oh, this is gonna be good. Got a nice mixture there, tater tots, eggs and bacon, some cheese. We'll put some cheese, two different kinds, mild cheddar and a extra sharp. Mix a little bit of that together. My first day of having AC in my house after the AC's been out for 4 days. But we finally got AC and I don't want to heat the house up, so I'm cooking outdoors this morning. Throw some cheese on it. Fold that up real good. Make 3 of those for me and my 2 sons, and breakfast is done. And this is how my 3 breakfast quesadillas turned out. Nice and cheesy, seasoned, bacon, eggs, and tater tots. I'm gonna throw some hot sauce on it. Maybe some tomato. But yeah, just a quick for the outside air because I didn't want to heat the house up. So you could do anything outside with a grill. I figured don't heat the house up, cook outside. Works out well. Again, in the grilling mood. So I seasoned up my boneless chicken thighs. I deboned these thighs. Coated them in mustard here. One set is coated in black pepper and garlic salt. The other one is seasoning from Old Bay. So that side's the Old Bay, that side's the garlic. Coated them in some olive oil. Throw them on the grill. I got some rice going in the house. Looking forward to a good eat. Thanks for following me. I'm going to start trying to do something with more and more cooking with my grandchildren and getting things going. So let's see how this is coming out. Give this a good look. Turn that over for a little bit. Slowly let them fry up. Same here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Gonna be spicy, and then that one will be garlicky over some rice. Oh yeah, that's what I want it to look like, a nice golden brown coming up. Alright, so again, followers, I appreciate you following me. Still waiting for Tonga to give me some word. I got an uncle still checking on it, so I'm just working on gonna go back to Tonga hopefully by the end of the year and be ready by this year coming up to have everything ordered and going there by the blessings of God. And you know, thankful for everybody who's sticking with me, and those I'll welcome back when I'm sure when I'm back in Tonga doing my project. They'll love to see what I'm doing there in their country for my wife and myself for our retirement. So again, just got my little, put some pressure on them, get them cooking real good. Get them juices flowing. cooked a good breakfast this morning with this grill. So yeah, I'm starting to use my equipment. I got some deep fryers, and I got everything that I could go to Tonga and make a nice little um, meal restaurant. I just need to maybe get a little container and throw all my stuff in, and I got a lot of stuff. I'll show it to you. Let's see. The cardboard is to block out the, but I've been collecting all like my utensils for powdered sugars, my crock pots, new crock pots, waffle makers, you know, sift out the oil. This here for ingredients and condiments. Plus I got more stuff. A double deep fryer. Then I got a Coleman underneath it. The Coleman Perfect Flow 2-stove oven. So I could do a lot of stuff with this here, even in the States. I got a couple of waffle makers. I got one here and another bigger industrial one coming. A blender. Yep, just everything I got, I'm trying to utilize. Maybe this will all go to Tonga for part of my businesses out there that I want to create. So again, thank you. Back to my grilling. Just wanted to show you what I got going on in the house. Things I've been collecting. I'm always thinking about Tonga and what I could do in Tonga. You know, I want to retire there. I gave myself 2 years, but if I could do it sooner, I would love to be back in the island. It's whale season right now, and just a lot going on in the islands. I missed the Wike Lala. I love watching those on the video, so thankful to those that record activities during the Wike Lala. Very appreciative of that. Thank you very much. I'm going to keep grilling. I'll come back with myself being recorded grilling. All right, I got my microphone on. And I am ready to record. See if we got this right. It is 105 out here, but it's better than cooking in the house. There we go. Let me get this away from there. Get to again, thanks for watching, and my viewers. Appreciate you so much. I love the comments, the likes. I'm bored here. Oh, those are looking good. Pop this over to the side. Put that back down for a minute. Give each one of these their own little cooking space now. This bigger one in the middle. Pretty much the cooking lines are right along here, but I don't want them to burn. So, trying to keep them fairly even. All right. With all that puckle going on. Nice sizzling, browning coming along. Oh yeah, there you go. Some good browning. Brown back to the middle. Mm-mm-mm. Chop this up over some thinking what I'm gonna do. I got white rice going on inside. So some white rice mixed with some maybe vegetables would be good. I could get some asparagus or uh, vegetable medley, some broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. Um, yeah, looking forward to a good meal. So, again, thanks for watching. I'll give you the finished product and show you the plates we made.